Okay, that wasn't so bad now, was it? So let's assume that we've got our personal workspace view created. Now let's add some notes to it and make it really a space in which we can work. You'll notice I've brought us back to the Ed 616N Week 1 view, and I can either use the viewfinder window here to find my workspace view, or I can use a link, if there is one, a view link in the space, or I can also use the Go menu, which lists all the views I've been to recently. So Workspace Your Name is the one that I created for this demonstration, so that's where I'm going to go. There's a couple ways I can get stuff. I can use the viewfinder window, for example, to list all the views in the database, and I can I can sort the views by title, for example. Say I wanted something from the Ed 616N views, I could just scroll down the list of N616N views till I found one that was likely to have something. So for example, say I wanted somebody's burning question to add to my view. And here's Louise's. So I just click on it to select it, click on Copy under the Edit menu, then use the Go menu to go back to my workspace view, and then I click Paste under the Edit menu. Now you can have some fun here because you'll notice that nothing seems to have happened. But if I scroll across, there's the note that I copied into my workspace view. Notice that in this case, this is still Louise's note. I can't change it. I can't pretend it's mine. But if it was something that she said that I really thought was interesting, I could keep it in my workspace view, so I would keep track of it. So that's one way of doing it. Another way of doing it, I'm going to close the viewfinder window, is to use the search function in Knowledge Form. This is sort of like searching through the library for articles. I click on the magnifying glass, and I can choose to search for notes or views or attachments or anything else in the database. But let's say I'm looking for things that I've created. So the author is Sandy. I click on Search. And again, in this case, I'm leaving them sorted by date modified. I can scroll down to find something that I want in my workspace view. I just click on it to select it and drag it to my workspace view. Voila, there it is. Isn't that interesting? If I change my mind about something or my view gets pretty messy, I can click on something and under the Edit menu, click on Clear to get rid of it out of my view. I can also, for example, use the Go menu. I'm going back to the Week 1 view. Notice that as I worked, I've created all kinds of links and stuff that don't really belong in this view. So just to be a tidy person, I select them, click on Clear, and that clears them out of the view. I don't want to delete them from the database. So there you go. Let's see how that works.